Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can log into your Vensure Employee account. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your PC is connected to a secure internet, and we will use Google Chrome as our default web browser, and in the above search bar you can just type in Vensure Employee Login. After that, various of options will appear in your interface, and we will click on the first search result, which will lead us to login web page. Left hand side you can find out various options where you can find client manager login, client smart system login, but we are clicking employee login. Finally, we are in the login web page where you can put your credential, your username, password, and just click login, and congratulations, you are logged into your Vensure employee account. If you forgot your username or password, you can just click in forget your username or forget password button. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. Guys, we will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all so you never miss any updates. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.